Hey y'all, it's been a minute since we've had a voiceover, so we'll be talking about plants today. Let's get into it. So on today's episode of What the Hell Am I Getting Myself Into with This Other Plant is the rare Nanouk Pink Tradescantia. They're not really rare. You can find these at your local nurseries. I think they just say this potentially to get like another buck or two out of you. But if you go looking for this and you can't find it by that name, search for a Fantasy Venus or a Spiderwort. It typically rings a bell for me with Spiderwort, so it's probably should be Spiderwort, right? They do like bright, indirect, or full sunlight, which is great for someone like me who lives in the butt crack of Texas. You can water them once per week when the top inch of the soil is dry. They can also withstand up to 75 degrees Fahrenheit during the day indoors. And also make sure you're careful with your salt. They are toxic to people and pets. The sap can cause some dermatitis and upset stomach if ingested. I've had a really stressful week, and I've noticed that tending to my plants really does bring me a sense of calmness and peace, and I hope I get to show you guys more content with it. Bye.